Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I want to show you how to find someone's Instagram username. And to do this, you just need to go to Instagram and after that, go and search for anyone. For example, I will search for my other profile, and as you can see, when I enter to my profile, there is my username on the top left of the screen. So the Ahmed underscore Ben Attia is my username or the username of my account. And for example, if we want to see also this account, like as you can see also in the top left of the screen, like is username Mohammed Kalbusi underscore. So always you will find the username of any Instagram account on the top left of the screen. And of course you can just like I don't know, if you want to search about that person or something like that, you can copy his like username. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.